Wife is good at decorating. We have these atriums open through the ceiling, glassed in on either side of the kitchen table. Built when Grandpa designed this house and had it built around 1960. Pretty cool feature. All kinds of plants can grow in there. So it's the end of December. Pretty chilly for Louisiana for sure. Hey everybody, welcome to SERVi Homestead again. I want to show you a little project that I'm going to be working on. It's in two pieces. We have a rooster who's pretty aggressive. He's an Americana and he's really pretty, but he's constantly trying to mate with the hens, and I think it's causing them some stress and they're not laying like they should be. So I will make a temporary pen for him on the back side of the wooden coop right here and leave him there for 2 or 3 weeks and see if that helps. We just aren't getting the eggs that we should be, so we're going to try that. He's a beautiful rooster, but he's just really aggressive, and I'm going to try to separate him for a while and see what happens. The other thing is I want to put a gutter on the back edge of this roof and catch the water and direct it to a rain bucket, a rain barrel, and we can use it for our small garden right here and for watering the chickens. And it'll keep it from dripping on. It'll keep it from dripping onto the nest box right here. And this is where the rooster's temporary pen will be. And I don't want water dripping all over his area either, so it'll help with that. It's pretty cold today, 40 something, as we saw on the thermometer from in the house. And it's breezy. So hopefully we can get this done without frozen hands. Right, I think we have everything we need here. We have this 2x to go up on the edge because you need something to screw the hangers for the gutter to. We have a couple of elbows, some end caps, a downspout adapter. Those are the hangers. Some gasket maker and the reused piece of gutter. Here's one of the hangers already on there. It slides on. It's made to fit in the grooves. So you put it on and you slide it down where you need it. And then you would attach it here to the, if it was a house, you'd screw this into the fascia, which is the facing board on the edge of your roof.